Do you end up with loads of yarn ends from all the yarny projects that you make, like I do? Well, I've decided that I'm going to do something a bit more creative with them rather than using them for stuffing amigurumi. I've started a few projects and one of them includes making this colourful yarn ball. I'm Pauline from Making Polly and today I'm going to show you how to make this colourful yarn ball. The yarn ends that I'm using all come from the same project and it is 100% wool. The details of the yarn is in the description below the video. I'll tell you later in the video why I wanted to use 100% wool for this project. As you can see, each of the different coloured ends are joined together by what is called the magic knot. Let's take a look at making a magic knot with two yarn ends. Lay the opposite ends of each yarn end together. Then cross one over the other. With this yellow end, we'll make a simple overhand knot over the green end. So take the yellow one and wrap it around the green and cross over itself to make a loop. Then take the end and put it through the loop. And pull the knot tight. Make sure it's very tight around the green. Then do the exact same with the green end around the yellow. So cross over, bring it around and cross over itself to make a loop. Then put the end into the loop and pull it tightly around the yellow end. We now have two knots, one in yellow around the green and one in green around the yellow. Pull the ends so that both of the knots come together and make sure you pull it really tightly to secure. Then cut the two short ends as close to the knots as possible. Now we have made one magic knot joining two yarn ends together. And as we have pulled the knots tightly together when creating them and pulling them together, they will stay in place. Now you can repeat the process of joining two yarn ends together with the magic knot, with as many yarn end lengths and colours as you wish. For this project I am using 8 different colours and each of the yarn end lengths are of varying sizes and placed quite randomly, although I have spaced each colour out. When I have finished this colourful ball of yarn, I intend to use it for a small crochet project. And as I said at the beginning of the video, I am using 100% wool for it. This is so that I can then felt my finished crochet piece. This will be a long-term project and I will share more videos soon. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like and tell me in the comments if the magic knot is something that you have used before or intend to use. Thank you so much for watching and please hit that subscribe button to see more crochet and yarn videos.